You don't always have to hire an attorney in the state where your motorcycle accident occurred. In many situations, attorneys are physically located in one state, but are licensed to practice in and experienced handling cases in the surrounding states. Our firm has attorneys licensed to practice in Kentucky and Tennessee and would be happy to help you with cases in both of those states.